In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradingView indicators, a critical skill for anyone interested in improving their trading strategy. Whether you're a beginner or more experienced, understanding how to effectively use these tools can greatly enhance your market analysis. First things first, let's dive into how you can access and add indicators on TradingView. Once you're on the TradingView platform, you'll notice a button labeled Indicators at the top of your chart. This is your gateway to a variety of helpful tools that can assist you in analyzing market trends. When you click this button, you'll see several categories to choose from. These include built-ins, technical, financial, and community. Each category offers a range of indicators designed for different types of analysis. For instance, clicking on an indicator like the Relative Strength Index, commonly known as RSI, or the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, abbreviated as MACD, will automatically display it directly on your chart. This visual representation allows for immediate analysis of how that particular indicator correlates with the price movements you're observing. Now that you know how to find and add them, let's discuss a bit about the different types of indicators and how they can be beneficial to your trading. Starting with trend indicators like moving averages and MACD, these are essential for showing the overall direction of the market. Are we in an upward trend or a downward trend? Having this clarity can guide your decision-making process. On the other hand, momentum indicators such as the RSI help you gauge the strength or weakness of a price move. They're particularly useful for identifying overbought or oversold conditions in the market. This means when a price has potentially moved too far too fast and a reversal may be imminent. It's an excellent tool to use when you're deciding on the best times to enter or exit trades. Finally, we have volume indicators like on-balance volume, known as OBV, and the simple volume indicator, which are crucial for confirming or questioning the price movements you see. Volume measures the number of shares or contracts traded and can provide a deeper insight into the strength behind a move. If price moves are supported by high volume, it is often seen as more credible. Each of these categories serves different purposes, from confirming trends to timing your entry points or gauging market sentiment. Understanding how and when to use these indicators can significantly improve your trading success. As you explore and familiarize yourself with these tools, remember that practice is key. Each indicator provides a piece of the puzzle, and using them in combination can offer a more comprehensive view of the market. With practice, you'll be able to read charts more accurately and make more informed trading decisions. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and happy trading.